If you're running a clinic, dental practice, aesthetic business, or health tech company in Singapore, you're facing a challenge that no amount of medical expertise alone can solve. Winning trust in an increasingly skeptical marketplace. I'm Crystal from Grow Public Relations, and today I'm going to review why trust is your most valuable currency and how strategic public relations and reputation building can help you build it in ways traditional marketing simply cannot. Let's start by understanding what you're trying to reach. Today's healthcare consumer is very different than just 5 years ago. They're more informed, they're able to research symptoms and treatments before they even contact you. They're more discerning, comparing options across multiple providers, and they are more demanding, expecting not just clinical excellence but exceptional experiences. Healthcare tourism is also impacting local businesses. When someone is considering your healthcare business, they're not just asking, can you solve my problem? They're asking, can I trust you with my health, my appearance, or my data? And why should I trust you more than your competitor? Here's the reality. In a world where every healthcare provider claims to be the best, consumers are increasingly skeptical of traditional marketing messages. Each healthcare segment faces unique trust challenges. For clinics, you're balancing operational efficiency with personalized care. Patients fear becoming just another number in a busy practice. For dental practices, you're differentiating in a saturated market where many services appear almost the same. How does a patient know your teeth whitening is better than the practice next door? For aesthetic businesses, you're establishing trust while marketing results-focused services. Consumers worry about safety, natural-looking results, and whether these before and after photos are even real. And for health tech companies, you're educating users on innovative solutions while building trust in data security. Building trust doesn't happen overnight. Let's look at a strategic timeline for implementation. In the short terms, the first 1 to 3 months, start with a reputation audit. What are patients saying about you online? Optimize your Google My Business profile and begin developing your social media presence with regular updates. In the medium term, the next 3 to 6 months, launch a video content strategy that educates your audience and highlights specific services. Build relationships with media outlets and industry influencers who can provide crucial third-party validation and get your stories out into the media. And in the long term, for the next 6 to 12 months, consider more advanced strategies like patient portals or AI chatbots for seamless communication. You can also host webinars or in-clinic events to engage directly with your community and create client community events to nurture customer loyalty. In Singapore's compact urban environment, location-specific PR can be extremely effective. For clinics, dental practices, and aesthetic businesses, optimize for location-based searches like clinics near Orchard MRT station or Botox near Orchard Road. Create MRT-specific landing pages that speak directly to patients in those neighborhoods. And consider location-targeted ads or content with specific messaging. For example, affordable flu vaccines near Clementi or safe Botox near Raffles Place. This hyper-local approach not only improves your search visibility but also builds trust through geographical relevance. The most important question: how do you know if your trust-building PR efforts are working? Look for these key indicators: an increase in patient inquiries, appointments, and website traffic, especially direct traffic from people searching specifically for your brand. These could be organic searches. Positive reviews and higher ratings on directories like Google and health-specific platforms are also important. Other factors include improved social media engagement and growth in your follower base, and perhaps most importantly, an increase in patient referrals. The ultimate sign that you have earned enough trust for someone to stake their personal reputation on recommending you. Building trust in healthcare isn't a marketing expense. It's a strategic investment in your business. In a marketplace where clinical expertise is increasingly seen as a baseline rather than a differentiator, your reputation and the trust you've built become your most valuable assets. Remember, patients don't just want the best treatment. They want to feel confident that they are receiving the best treatment. And that confidence comes from trust. Whether you are a small neighborhood clinic or a cutting-edge health tech startup, strategic reputation building can help you build the trust advantage that sets you apart in an increasingly competitive landscape. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about implementing these strategies for your specific healthcare business, the team at Grow Public Relations specializes in building reputations for healthcare providers just like yours.